Hi friends, welcome to and Innovations. Today in this video I will show you about bone conducting speaker version 2. In my previous bone conducting speaker it was a little bigger in size, but this is much smaller in size, and I will show you how to build it and I will test it. So we will not waste your time, let's start the project. So friend, I have taken a inner core of transformer, a PVC pipe and a PCB board. Now I have installed the inner core of transformer inside the PVC pipe. You can see it here. So after that I have put some adhesive and connected two number of wire with the two terminal of the transformer. So now I will connect a audio female jack, and 80% of the build part is complete. Now I will install a rubber o-ring like this way as shown in the video, and with the help of some adhesive or super glue I will install the niobium magnet at the center of the metal plate. So after that I will fix the unit on the top of the rubber o-ring, and the build part is almost completed. You can see it here. So friend, I have completed the build part. You can see it here. So I have made some modification. So at present I am connected it with the help of Bluetooth amplifier, and I have already played a song. The most important thing, you cannot able to hear the song because it is a bone conducting speaker. So as soon you will connect the speaker with a, now you can hear it. So friend, you can see it here. The bone conducting speaker is working fine without any issue, but it will not play any sound when it is not connected with any surface. So as soon you will connect it, it will play sound. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video. So friends, I think all of you have liked this video. So please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscribers. Thank you.